Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video we are to solve this beautiful problem. It says f of x plus f of 1 over 1 minus x equal to x. Then we have to find f of 2. Okay, so that's what we have to do in today's video. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, or if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share. Okay guys, so let's dive into the work. So I want to find f of 2, that is x will be 2 here. So that is, we are going to substitute x to be 2. Alright, then we are going to have the following. Let's change the ink. Alright, so we're going to have f of 2 plus f of 1 over 1 minus 2 equal to 2. Alright, then this will give us f of 2 then plus f of 1, 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1 over minus 1 is equal to 2. All right, then this will give us f of 2, okay, plus f of minus 1, because 1 divided by minus 1 will give us minus 1, so which is equal to 2. All right, so that's what we are going to have. Now, but if you check this from the equation, we're not given what the value of f of negative 1. So that's the next thing we are going to do for us to be able to find f of 2. Now let's find the value of f of negative 1. So we are going to substitute x to be what? Negative 1, for us to be able to find f of negative 1. So we substitute x to be negative 1. So we have f of negative 1 plus f of 1 over 1 minus 1. Okay, so which is equal to negative 1. Then we are going to have f of negative 1, okay, plus f of 1 over, so minus times minus will give us plus, so 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So we have f of half, which is equal to negative 1. Also, we don't know the value of f of half, so we have to find that also for us to be able to find our original question, which is f of 2. So when x is half, so we have f of half, okay, plus f of 1 over 1 minus half, okay, so which is equal to half. So this implies that, so we have f of half, okay, plus f of, so 1 over, 1 minus half will give us half, so we have 1 over half, so which is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, then if you divide 1 by half, so you are going to have 2. So this implies f of half plus f of 2 is equal to half. All right, so let's make f of half the subject here. So if I make f of half the subject of the formula there, so I have f of half is equal to half minus f of 2. All right, so in this place we have the value of f of half, which is 1 over 2 minus f of 2. Okay, so we can input f of half to be 1 over 2 minus f of 2. So if we do that, let's use black marker for that. So we have f of minus 1, okay, then plus, instead of writing f of half, we write 1 over 2 minus f of 2, okay, so which is equal to minus 1. Now let's make f of half, f of negative 1 the subject of the formula here. So we are going to have f of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 minus 1 over 2 plus f of 2. So that is what we are going to have. So we have f of negative 1 is equal to, so negative 1 negative half, that will give us negative 3 over 2 plus f of 2. Okay, that is f of negative 1. Now let's substitute f of negative 1 into this part. All right, so f of negative 1, which is negative 3 plus f of 2. So we are going to have the following. So we're going to have f of 2 plus, so instead of writing f of negative 1, we are going to write negative 3 over 2 plus f of 2, okay, which is equal to 2. So f of 2 plus f of 2 will give us 2f of 2. So we have 2f of 2 minus 3 over 2 is equal to 2. So if you add 3 over 2 to the both sides, so we have 2f of 2 is equal to 2 plus 3 over 2. Okay, then we are going to have 2f of 2 is equal to, if you find the LCM is 2. This is over 1 and 2, that is 2 times 2, that's 4. So 4 plus 3 will give us 7. So we have 7 over 2. Then for us to be able to find f of 2, we have to divide through by 2. So then we have f of 2 is equal to 7 over 4. So that is the answer to that question. Okay, if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.